Hello. If you visited before, thanks for coming back. If you're new here, welcome. Check out my channel intro to get acquainted. My name's Pierre-Antoine, and today we're going to talk about suppliers, specifically how to vet potential suppliers. Before we jump in, let's define what a supplier is. A supplier is any company or partner that provides goods that you use in production. This will usually be ingredients, but it could also be packaging or cleaning products. Now, your first instinct when you're choosing a potential supplier might be to choose the least expensive to keep costs down. I'm here to tell you that you have to fight the urge to go with the cheapest option. The best thing you can do is to vet your potential suppliers to see who's going to bring you the best value. When you vet a supplier, you're looking for two things: safety and reliability. First, let's talk about safety. You want your potential suppliers to have a robust and compliant food safety program of their own. So how do you know that a potential supplier takes food safety seriously? Certifications and inspection reports. Potential suppliers should have one or more certificates of assurance or compliance. Suppliers are subjected to rigorous inspections to achieve certifications, so that's a good indicator that they have a strong food safety program. Any supplier you're considering should be able to provide you proof of their certification and may or may not be willing to share the inspection reports associated with those certifications. Note that you'll likely find that most suppliers will not be willing to share inspection reports with you, but that doesn't stop you from asking questions about policies and procedures. Now, there are a number of things that you need to look for when you're looking at a certificate of assurance or conformance. The first is a seal of a trusted certification organization, like NSF or AIB. The ANSI is the governing body in the US for certifications. In Canada, it's the SCC. I'll put a link in the description with lists of accredited trusted organizations for certification. Number two, there should be a certificate expiration date. Credible certifications should always be valid only for a certain amount of time, usually a year or two, before they need to be renewed. If you get an expired certificate from a potential supplier, make sure you request their most recent one. If they can't provide you with a current valid certification from a trusted organization, then it's time to move on and consider other suppliers. Keep in mind you'll need to contact your suppliers when you notice that the certificates you have on file are coming close to expiration date to get new ones. It's a good idea to include that in your annual program review. I'll talk more in another video about what you should put in an annual revision program. Next, let's talk about reliability. There are a few key things you need to look for in a potential supplier regarding reliability. Do they answer the phone when you call them? Do they provide timely answers to your questions? Do they have a track record of delivering quality products on time and in good condition? For that last one, it's a good idea to leverage your network to see if you know anyone that has worked with them before. If you don't have the luxury of testimonials from trusted sources, you'll have to be the judge of their reliability by your interactions with them. Were they open and honest when you asked information about their certificates? Did they provide thorough information when you asked questions about their policies and procedures? How a potential supplier handles those situations can give you a good idea of their reliability. Now, arguably, the best way to determine reliability is to put them to the test. Though it's not guaranteed, it never hurts to check if the supplier is open to a trial period or short-term agreement to determine their reliability. Reliable suppliers should deliver quality products in secure and clean delivery trucks and have some consistency between the delivery itself and the bill of lading or shipping manifest. If you establish a trial period with a supplier and they fail to follow through, then it's time to move on to different suppliers. The reliability of your suppliers will have a significant impact on your operation. I hope I've been able to equip you with the tools you need to vet potential suppliers because their safety and reliability are important. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.